The AEG Sense Pro Induction Hob with TFT screen is incredibly precise, responsive, easy to control and fast to heat up, with settings like Power Boost allowing you to boil water faster than an electric kettle. However, the superior temperature controls also allow it to be incredibly gentle, giving you the flexibility to create delicate recipes that require low and even temperatures. To set the power level, simply turn on the hob and put your cookware in position. The hob will automatically detect cookware and the slider for the active zone will appear on the display for 8 seconds. Touch or slide your finger to set the desired heat setting. This model has power levels from 1 to 9, with 1 being the lowest temperature and 9 the highest, but some models have power levels from 1 to 14. You can activate Power Boost by first selecting a zone and then holding this button until the P symbol turns red. This indicates the function is in operation. 1 to 3 are your low settings, with 2 being ideal for melting chocolate, making hollandaise sauce or keeping food warm. 4 to 6 are medium temperatures, ideal for poaching an egg or making pancakes. 7 and 8 are great for frying or cooking pasta, and 9 is perfect for boiling and searing. To get the most out of your appliance, we recommend experimenting with the different power levels, and as AEG induction hobs are so responsive, you can reduce or boost the temperature within seconds. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.